In this video, I'll guide you through how to personalize an email in Brevo. Personalizing your emails can make a significant difference in how your audience engages with your content. Whether you're sending a newsletter, a promotional message, or a simple update, adding a personal touch can enhance the effectiveness of your communication. So, let's dive in. First things first, you need to go to brevo.com, open your preferred web browser, and type in the URL to get started. Once you're on the Brevo website, look for the login option if you're not already signed in. Enter your credentials to access your dashboard. With your dashboard open, the next step is to click on the marketing section. This is where you'll find all the necessary tools to manage your email campaigns. The marketing section is usually located on the left-hand side of the dashboard, so go ahead and give that a click. Now that you're in the marketing section, you'll want to navigate to campaigns. This area will display all the email campaigns you've created or are planning to send. It's a central hub for managing your email efforts, ensuring you can easily access and edit your campaigns as needed. Once you've clicked on campaigns, you'll see a list of your existing campaigns. Find the specific campaign you want to personalize and look for the edit icon. This icon usually resembles a pencil or a gear, and clicking it will allow you to modify the details of your campaign. Now, you'll be taken to the campaign editing interface. Here, you should focus on the design aspect of your email. Look for the option that says Edit Design and click on it. This is where you can get creative and start adding those personal touches that will resonate with your audience. Finally, it's time to personalize your email. Brevo offers various tools to help you customize your message. You might want to include the recipient's name, tailor the content based on their previous interactions, or even adjust the tone to suit different segments of your audience. Make use of dynamic fields and placeholders that Brevo provides to seamlessly insert personal details into your email. Remember, personalization is not just about adding a first name to the subject line, it's about crafting a message that speaks directly to the reader, making them feel valued and understood. So, take some time to think about what your audience would appreciate and how you can make your message as relevant as possible. And there you have it. You've successfully personalized your email in Brevo. By following these steps, you can ensure your emails are more engaging and effective. Personalization is a powerful tool in digital marketing, helping you build stronger relationships with your audience. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy emailing!